Friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic in Excel, that is the Power Query. This is a new feature from Microsoft. This is existing in almost all the versions above 16, 13, 16, 17, 19, 21, and also 365. So this first Power Query was first introduced in Power BI, a BI tool, but now it is also integrated with Excel, and it is very wonderful to do all sorts of data cleaning, data analyzing, and optimization work. Complete ETL work. It is extract data, extract, transform, and load can be done by Power Query in Excel. So it's very fine tool. I will give an overview quickly and explain you how it works. So for example, I have my test data here. You see, I have just converted this uh, data into table. This is the banking data. I have account type, opened by, date, month, amount, category, first name, last name. So what I am going to do quickly is that I will just load it into my Power Query here. So how to do that? You just need to go in data and you need to click on get data, click on from the other sources and click on this field from table range. And here you go, guys. You see my Power Query is open. This is how the Power Query works, guys. It's very wonderful too. And you see, I have all my data set here. So now, whatever corrections I made, this tool usually works in the preview mode, that is the recording mode. So you will have all your, the examples over here. And this is my Power Query. So how it works, if you see here, what sort of corrections we can do it very easily. Say, for example, this is the date field. I will just change the data type here to date, and the times and all will all be removed. You see, it's so easy to clean the data. Now, say for example, this is my category, and this is separated by commas. I would like to clean it, or I would like to split the central existing, central and new into two columns. Basically, if you do in Excel, then you have to create a new column and you need to write your formula and there will be a dependency. But this is very easy here. You just need to click on your column, click on split cells, click by delimiter, and you see you just need to select, yeah, it is by comma, leftmost delimiter, click on OK, and here you go, guys. You see how quickly we have our, the two columns are created and and the split works easily. If you want to, rename your uh, uh, rename your columns, you can just rename your columns. Maybe like anything you put category one, category two, something like that. Whatever is the column name, you can put your column name also. Now, let me show you more corrections that we can do here. You see here we have first name and last name. If you want to join these two tables, what we'll do, we'll just select these two tables and we will go to our edge column and we will just merge columns. And you see here, merge columns by, just put a space here, and we'll just put a merge column name. Maybe we'll put as, a full name, or just to be specific, we can put as banker name. Banker name, as this is a bank data, just dummy data I created. So if you just see here now, I have a new column as banker data. You see banker name Manu Shrivastava, Anita Verma, Mitali Shrivastava. Now you just want to remove these tables. You just select this, and just go to home and just remove columns, and your column is removed. It is so easy to clean data in Power Query. You just have to clear see the data types are fine, the text is text, the date is in text, the numbers are into whole numbers, and you need and you say this is the tabs here, home, transform, add column view, and these various ribbons are there, and various controls and formulas are inside. So it's very easy, guys. You just need to download it and do hands-on, and this is how Power Query works. And once it is done, you just need to, close and load too. And you see, this is asking me to load it. I'll load it into my table and hooray. And you see, I have all my data here. You see, my corrected data is loaded here. This is how it works, guys. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with my channel to learn more and deep dive into data science. I will come up always with some cool and easy tricks to work with, the data sets and how to optimize data. Next time, we will understand how to work with Power Pivot, do visualization, and do optimization. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. Good day. Have a great day ahead.